Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to log in with the mobile number or whenever you create an account we will send an OTP to a number and then they can put the OTP in that particular field, then it will log in with their account, right? So we are going to implement this logic. So let's start the tutorial. So first of all, let's go to the my demo work. So here whenever we try to create an account, here I'm adding my name, admin, email Raj 78 at the rate milliator.com, com, and number 186. Password I'm going to add in, right? Create an account, right? OTP sent to your mobile number. Let's check OTP is receiving or not. See, OTP I have received, and I'm going to fill the OTP right now. So it's this one. It's done. Enter OTP. See, I'm able to log in with my account, right? If I'm going to log out, sign out, we have another option, sign in with mobile number or sign in with email. So both options, again I'm going to choose sign in with mobile number. So here I'm going to add my mobile number, 186, right? Send OTP. So it will show me the OTP right now. Again I'm logged in with my account, right? So this is how we can log in with the phone number with OTP. If you want to learn this extension, how it is built and how we can configure all these things, so just write in a comment below. So I will put a new tutorial where all the files, everything should be open, and I will do step by step coding on that part, right? So I hope you understand what we are doing. So if you want that extension, just write me in the comment below. We will put a new tutorial on each and every steps, right? Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.